So I'm going to do a quick demo of this Epiphone SG. It's pretty decent. It's like $500 brand new. I think this one was made in 2020. It had during COVID. So of course when I got it, I sprayed it with Lysol. Anyway, I'm playing it through a JCM 2000 DSL head, and here we go. It's very responsive. You can hear it. Those double humbuckers are really grippy. It's tight sounding too. I mean, you just hear the sear of the note, and that's it. The low end too. It like has a very good response and sustain on both ends. I'm sure I could get a pinched harmonic out of this real easy. Yep. Feels really great for bar chords.